Question number 3, we're going to look at Kelsey had set P pennies next to a checkerboard, and then she placed triple that number of pennies on the first square. Then she placed on the next square triple the number of pennies that were on the first square. So she's tripling every time. Tripling that were on the first square. She continued this pattern of always placing on the next square triple the number of pennies on the previous square. How many pennies will be on the fifth square? Okay, so basically we have a little board. Let's just draw a little picture. We're starting with P, and then we're going to go for, well, this is just a checkerboard, right? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first square, she's going to take 3P. I guess maybe we'll do it here. So second square, she's going to take 3 times what was there, so that's 3 times 3P. The third one is going to be 3 times that. So what's happening is we're repeatedly multiplying by 3. So by the fifth square, we have multiplied by 3. As you can see, 1 time here, 2 times on the second, 3 times on the third, 4 times on the fourth, 5 times. We will have multiplied by 3 5 times by the time we get to the fifth square. And what are we multiplying by? If you're going to triple something, you multiply by that item. So P, however many pennies she started with, she's now got 3 to the 5th times whatever she started with. That's how many pennies will be there. Now we don't know the number because we don't know what P is, right? They never gave us that. But what we can say is this is how many pennies will be there. If you want to kind of get it into exponential form, we might write it as 3p to the 5th, right? This is our starting amount. If you want to write in function notation, we could f of p equals, so all those type of things are there. All we're looking for is something along those lines. And let's see, where's my here it is. Let me just make sure. Yeah, P times 3 to the 5th pennies. Yeah, I guess I should use units, but we know what we're talking about. All right, so that's number 3.